Hello friends, hope you're doing good. I know that not all of us can afford to keep upgrading our iCloud storage every few months. So what do we usually do to keep our storage on our MacBooks? We simply start deleting files manually, which may include all downloads, unused applications, random folders, and many more. But the problem is that even after deleting those files, our MacBook seems slow and the storage still seems full. That's because many of the files never really disappear. Junk files, cache data, system leftover, and other such files remain hidden deep inside our MacBook. And interestingly, these are such files which you don't usually see and cannot easily find them. And over the time, as we ignore those junk files, they remain and pile on each other, ultimately taking the storage of our MacBook and making it slow. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a Mac Cleaner application that can help you clean junk files and optimize your MacBook, ultimately boosting its power. And the name of that tool is Tenorshare Cleamio, which is an updated version of 4D Mac Cleaner. So without further ado, let's begin and see how Cleamio helps boost our Mac's productivity. First of all, go to the official website of Tenorshare Cleamio. For that, you can click on the link in the description. Once there, you will see this kind of an interface. On the top, you see that it helps clean and optimize your MacBook. It will clear app caches, system junk, logs, DMG leftovers, and hidden clutter in one click. And this feature is 100% free. This way, Tenorshare Cleamio frees up gigabytes of spaces and boosts Mac speed. It can free junk files from 50 GB to 280 GB per month. It can quickly find and delete duplicate files, similar photos, and large files. Doing so will allow you to keep the required documents only and help you get free space. Our latest update allows you to batch rename multiple files at once with AI. This way you can manage files effortlessly. It can batch rename files like photos, documents, and other data on Mac using advanced AI. Your messy folders will be organized in a standard form and will save a lot of your time while keeping your files clean and easily findable. It helps completely uninstalling the unrequired apps and manage app updates in one place. Using this feature, you can uninstall unused Mac apps and every leftover file. You can manage application updates here and keep your system lightweight and efficient with Cleanio. Another feature is real-time monitoring and management of Mac performance statuses. You can check the CPU and RAM usage in real time. You'll also be able to find out which of the app is using most of the energy, and you can close that app directly using Tenorshare Cleamio. You can also check your network speed and background processes. In all, Tenorshare Cleamio can free Mac storage and boost its performance. There are also many positive reviews from worldwide users. One user is saying Cleamio makes my Mac run like new. Another comment is like, saved me hours of work with Cleamio. Let's proceed and see how this tool actually works. Click on download and then install Cleamio on your MacBook. While opening the app for the first time, make sure to give full disk access and access to your local network for deeper scan. Once installed, you can open it and this is the simple interface you will see. Here on the left side, you see options like junk file, duplicate files, similar photos, large files, AI file renamer, and app management. Let's start with the junk file feature. Click on it and then click scan. Allow its access to files and then it will start scanning. Here you can see it has scanned all the junk and unimportant files on my MacBook. There are language files, system logs, and system caches. I can deselect files if I want to keep them. I can sort them in ascending order or file name as well. Here you see that 298 MB of data is selected by Cleamio. I can also select 430 MB of unused installer. For now, I'll keep the same selection and click Smart Cleanup. Within some seconds, your junk files would be removed from your MacBook. Once done, it will give you a notification saying congratulations. Let me check it again to see if there is any remaining junk file on my Mac. But here you see that everything is in order and no junk file is available on my MacBook. Now we can delete the duplicate files on our device. Once click the duplicate files, you will get this kind of an interface. You can click on the drop-down menu and select images from here. You can also click on this plus sign to add the folders you want to scan for duplicate files. You can add as many folders as you want. Once selected, just click on scan and in a moment, Cleamio will do its work. Luckily on my device, there isn't any duplicate file. Otherwise, it would have selected it. You can sort the files by size, name, or date. If your duplicate files are selected, then you can either discard them to trash, permanently delete them, or move them to any folder you want. Other than these options, you can simply click on remove and then your files would be removed to the trash. Let me select this document as an example and then I'll click remove and within a second it has done its job. Now let's go to similar photos. Click there and from here you can select the photos library and using this plus sign you can add multiple folders if you want to. And then click scan. In a moment, it will find similar photos on your device. In my case, I don't have any similar images on my MacBook, so it gives the notification that there is nothing to clean up. After that, we have large files feature. Once click there, it will ask for a scan and then it will find our large files that you can remove. Here you see it has selected a total of 240.91 GB of data. There are all the files and it has also grouped the files over 5 GB, files from 1 GB to 5 GB, files from 500 MB to 1 GB, and less than 10 MB. For now, they are sorted by size, so the biggest file is 9.89 GB on my MacBook. I can select the files that are of no use and click remove to permanently delete them from my MacBook. Once I click remove, I get the options to discard my files to trash, to permanently delete them, or to remove them to any other folder. I will click remove now, and within a second, files would be removed. Moreover, you can also sort your files by type to access them more easily based on the file type. Here you see my videos, audios, images, documents all are separated, and then I can easily remove the required files based on my needs. You can also sort your files based on the date to know which are the oldest files and which are the newest. The next and latest feature is AI File Renamer, which requires additional credits to function and cannot be accessed for free. Another feature is the app management. Once you click there, then it will show you all the installed apps on your MacBook. From here you can uninstall an app completely and no hidden file related to that app will remain on your device after uninstallation is done. Let me select this app and uninstall it. After uninstallation is done, it will give you a notification saying uninstallation is done. On the left side here you see other than app installation, you find app updates feature as well. By using that feature you will see all the apps that require to be upgraded and you can easily upgrade them from here. Another feature is the residual file, and you can see there is a total of 435 MBs of residual file which basically remains when apps are deleted manually. You can delete those hidden residual files using Cleanio. Just click on clean and your residual files will be removed from your MacBook. Another feature of Tenorshare Cleamio is the Mac Status Center, from where you can access the hard drive memory of your MacBook that has been used until now. You can check for your network speed and you can also get to see the CPU usage, and from here you can remove any app that you want to close. Then you can see the usage of RAM by clicking on memory option here, as in my case 37.9% of my RAM has been used now. You can also access your trash and startup item management from here. So that's how you can use Tenorshare Cleamio to clean up hidden junk, free up valuable storage, and give your MacBook a noticeable performance boost without upgrading iCloud storage. For your MacBook, Cleamio brings everything at one place. Junk file cleanup, duplicate removal, app management, and system monitoring all at one place. You can click on the link in the description, download this application, and remove your junk files for free. Yes, for free. Also let me know in the comment section which feature of Tenorshare Cleamio you like the most. So that's it from Teacher Friend in today's video. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos like this. Until next one, goodbye and take care.